Hi everybody, I'm Joe Mernka with FS. I'm the propane manager for FS and I'm here with Tim Pound today. We recently installed a new cylinder refill station for Tim at Pound Repair and Service here in Jefferson. We encourage everybody to come out and refill their gas grill cylinders. Tim, can you tell us a little bit about your business?
I do all types of outdoor power equipment service and repair. Been here a little over 7 years now, and trying to do some things with the business to add value to it. And I had experience with a propane filling station some years back, and it did well for us. And so when Harrison RV went out of business and that propane station went away, that was what encouraged me and moved me to go ahead and get a station from FS Grillmark and get it installed here. Been a good experience. Joe has been a good person to work with, and we've moved along as quickly as we could. And it's a brand new station. It's all ready to go. We've got a couple things to finish up, but I'm sure it's going to be a good money maker for me, and it's going to be another revenue stream for FS.
Thank you, Tim, and please come check him out. The grand opening is going to be June 9th.
Correct.